When your Costway portable air conditioner fan stops working, systematic troubleshooting can help identify and fix the problem. Let's go through the most common causes and solutions. First, check the power supply. Ensure the unit is securely plugged in and test the outlet with another device. If the outlet works, check your home's circuit breaker or fuse box for any tripped breakers or blown fuses. Next, verify your thermostat settings. Make sure the unit is set to cool mode, the temperature is set lower than the current room temperature, and the fan is set to on to run continuously. A dirty air filter is a common cause of fan problems. Clogged filters restrict airflow and can cause the fan to stop working. Clean your filter every 2 weeks using lukewarm water and mild detergent. Then dry it completely before reinstalling. Check for physical obstructions around the unit and fan blades. Remove any debris, leaves, or dirt that might block airflow. Ensure the unit has at least 20 inches of free space around it for proper ventilation. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, you may be dealing with advanced issues like a failed capacitor, burned out fan motor, damaged wiring, or faulty control board. These problems typically require professional repair or replacement parts. Remember these important safety precautions. Always disconnect the unit from power before any servicing, avoid using harsh chemicals for cleaning, and contact qualified professionals for electrical repairs. Following these steps should help resolve most fan issues with your Costway portable air conditioner. When dealing with fan blade problems, start by inspecting the blades for any visible damage, such as cracks, chips, or warping that could affect performance. If damage is found, contact Costway customer support for replacement parts. For loose fan blades, carefully tighten the center nut or screws that secure the blade to the motor shaft. For speed control issues, first check that the control panel is functioning properly. Ensure all buttons are responsive and the display shows the correct settings. Remote control problems are often solved by replacing the batteries and ensuring proper aim at the unit's receiver. Check that the remote is within range and there are no obstructions. Verify the unit is set to the correct operating mode. The 3 main modes are fan for air circulation, cool for cooling, and dry for dehumidification. Adjust fan speed settings within each mode as needed. Regular maintenance prevents many issues. Clean the air filter every 2 weeks, vacuum the condenser and evaporator coils, and ensure the exhaust hose remains properly connected and unobstructed. If problems persist after trying these solutions, contact a qualified HVAC technician. Professional service is recommended for electrical issues, refrigerant problems, or complex mechanical failures.